Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to easily install your very own analog CCTV camera system. Security is a top priority for homes and businesses, and an analog CCTV setup is an affordable and reliable way to enhance your surveillance game. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk tools and equipment. You'll need an analog CCTV camera, a DVR, that's a digital video recorder, coaxial cable, BNC connectors, a power supply adapter, and a few more things like a drill and mounting screws. Got everything? Great. Let's move on. Step 1. Plan camera placement. This is crucial. You want to choose spots with maximum coverage and minimal obstructions. Think entry and exit points, parking areas, hallways, staircases, cash registers, and perimeter walls. Got a spot in mind? Cool, let's mount that camera. Step 2. Mount the camera. Use a pencil to mark where you'll drill. Drill those holes, insert wall anchors for stability, and attach the camera bracket with mounting screws. Adjust the camera angle for the best coverage. Easy, right? Step 3. Connect the cables. Use a coaxial cable to transmit video signals. Here's how to attach BNC connectors. Strip the outer insulation, insert the center conductor into the BNC pin, and secure it by twisting or crimping. Connect one end to the camera and the other to the DVR. Use a power adapter to supply electricity to the camera. Step 4. Connect the DVR. Plug it into a power source, connect the coaxial cable from the camera to the DVR's video input, and attach your monitor using HDMI or VGA cables. If you have multiple cameras, repeat this process for each one. Step 5. Configure the system. Turn on the DVR and monitor, adjust camera settings like brightness, contrast, and recording modes. Set up motion detection, recording schedules, and storage preferences. Test the system by walking in front of the cameras to check coverage and clarity. Finally, step 6. Secure the installation. Conceal cables using conduits or cable trays to prevent tampering. Ensure proper ventilation for the DVR and create user accounts with passwords to protect DVR settings. Regular maintenance and cleaning will keep your footage clear, and there you have it. Installing an analog CCTV system is straightforward and significantly boosts your security. Follow these steps and you'll have a cost-effective surveillance system up and running in no time. Need professional help? Contact Securityvala.com for expert assistance. For more security tips and solutions, stay tuned to our blog. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing.